दुनिया की तमाम छोटी और बड़ी खबरों के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें और बेल का बटन जरूर दबाएं।
Obviously, the scene will shift to the courts now. This act will be challenged.
सरकार के पास नंबर है, चाहे जो भी जिस तरह सत्ता का उपयोग भी है, उनका दल भी बड़ा है, काफ़ी इसमें दल बदल भी करवाया गया है जब से मई में चुनाव हुआ, आम चुनाव। तो हमको उस पर कोई नहीं, नंबर जहाँ है वो सामने आया है, पर कोई आवश्यकता नहीं थी, इसका कोई औचित्य नहीं है और इसकी संवैधानिकता पर चुनौती है।
The Home Minister says 130 crore people are supporting us. Obviously, it doesn't count Assam, the Northeast, and all other protesters as part of the 130 crore.
यदि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के आर्टिकल 14 की अनदेखी किया जा सकता है, तो किसी भी स्तर पर इस देश के अल्पसंख्यक समुदाय को द्वितीय दर्जे का नागरिक बनाने की प्रक्रिया प्रारंभ हो गई है। हो सकती है, मैं वो नहीं कह हो गई, हो सकती है, ये अब इस पे हमें खतरा लग रहा है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कहा था सबका साथ सबका विकास, इस बार कहा था सबका विश्वास। ऐसे कृत्यों से और ऐसे बिल लाने से किसी का विश्वास वो पैदा नहीं कर पाते।
लेट द लॉबीज बी क्लियर्ड। हर एक सदस्य अपने नियमित स्थान पे बैठना चाहिए, तभी वो गिनेंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं गिन पाएंगे। सेक्रेटरी जनरल विल नाउ एक्सप्लेन द वोटिंग प्रोसीजर। सेक्रेटरी जनरल।
Honorable members, for your convenience, I shall explain the voting procedure by automatic vote recording system. It may please be noted that each member has been provided with an integrated microphone and voting console containing 4 buttons: P for present, A for ayes, O for abstain, and N for noes. There is also a separately situated security button in red, which is vote activation button, provided on the language selector. A red LED vote now lighted on the voting panel indicates that the voting functions are operational and active. To record a vote, a member has to be on his allotted seat and on his desk has to press the vote activation button and one of the voting buttons of his or her choice simultaneously. Each voting button has an assigned LED indicating the correct and valid voting function as long as a button is pressed together with the vote activation button. The voting process starts with a gong on the large screen hall display in the 2 corners of the chamber. Each member has to keep the voting button as well as the vote activation button pressed simultaneously for 10 seconds. That is at the time of closing of voting in order to register a valid vote. During the voting period, the members can change their vote at any time. The vote cast at the time when the voting period is ending will be valid, that is, the buttons kept pressed at the 10th second. At the 10th second will be recorded. In case either one or both the buttons are released prior to close of voting period, the vote will not be registered. The countdown time is also indicated on the display board. If a member finds that he or she has voted by mistake by pressing the wrong button, he or she can be allowed to correct the mistake through a correction slip devised for the purpose, provided he or she brings it to the notice of the chairman before the result of the division is announced. The correction slips will be distributed to the honorable members who desire to correct their recorded vote by the officials of the Secretariat. Also, I wish to mention that there are 2 new members, Mr. K.C. Ramamurthy and Mr. Arun Singh, who have not been allotted a seat as yet. Further, 2 more members, Sri Mahendra Prasad and Shri Ram Vilas Paswan are not able to vote through recording machine due to health reasons. These 4 members would vote through the division slips, which would be provided to them by our staff, and they would in the division slip record.
No minister, no member should stand up and then try to convey to other member anything. Canvass it. I shall now put the motion of that the bill be passed to vote. The question is put. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. Division. Secretary General.
Honorable members, I am starting the voting process. The voting time starts now.
Result of the division on the motion that the bill be passed, subject to correction, ayes 125, noes 105, abstain 0. The motion that bill is passed is adopted. Open the lobby. The House stands adjourned till 11 hours on Thursday, 12th December 2019.
दुनिया की तमाम छोटी और बड़ी खबरों के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें और बेल का बटन जरूर दबाएं।